In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the triangle angle bisector theorem. If you haven't tried to say that yet, go ahead and do that because it's kind of fun. Go ahead, triangle angle bisector theorem. Say it fast. All right, so here's what it says. It says a bisector of an angle in a triangle divides the opposite side into two segments whose lengths are in the same ratio as the lengths of the two sides forming the angle. So here's what it really means. So here's my angle that is bisected. Okay, so it's an angle bisector here, and it cuts this third side into two parts. Okay, so the length of a leg of the angle over its part of the third side is equivalent to the length of the other leg over its part of the third side. So the leg over its part is equal to the leg over its part. All right, so I wrote it out here, a over x equals b over y. So let's just try a couple. All right, on this first one here, this is my angle that's being bisected. Okay, so the legs of those angles are x and 18. So it's going to be x over its part of the third side, which is 14, equals the other leg, which is 18, over its part of the third side, which is 6. So now I just need to cross multiply, and I would have 6x equals, oops, sorry, I'm incompetent at my calculator right now. Okay, so 6x equals 252, divide by 6, and you should get 42. So x is equivalent to 42. That's all there is to it. I have one more example. All right, so again, we have the angle bisector here. So my legs of my triangle are 8 and x, or of that angle that's being bisected are 8 and x. And then the third side, its parts are 4 and 5.5. So we have the leg over its part, so 8 over 4, is equivalent to x over 5.5. Hey, and I know it's going to be 11 because to go from 4 to 8, I would multiply by 2. But we'll go ahead and cross multiply. So we have 8 times 5.5. We have 4x equals 44. Divide by 4, and x would equal 11.